Have you ever wondered why we say, I enjoy eating, but I want to eat? If gerunds and infinitives confuse you, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll explain gerunds and infinitives in a simple, clear, and practical way, with examples you can actually use in real life.
Let's start with the basics. What is a gerund? A gerund is a verb that ends in ing, but it acts like a noun. Examples: walking is good for your health. I enjoy traveling. Voting is important in a democracy. Even though these words come from verbs, they function as things or ideas. What is an infinitive? An infinitive is the base form of a verb with to in front of it. Examples: to walk, to travel, to vote. Infinitives often talk about goals, plans, or intentions.
Now let's talk about gerunds after prepositions. When a verb comes after a preposition, it must be in the ing form. Examples: after updating to the latest iOS, my iPhone worked smoothly. By working together we can accomplish a lot. It's impossible to use your laptop without installing the latest application. Words like after, by, without, before, for are prepositions. After them you never use to plus verb, always verb ing.
Some verbs are always followed by gerunds, not infinitives. Enjoy: City enjoys eating burgers and salads. Finish: have you finished getting dressed? Don't mind: I don't mind cooking for my family. Avoid: some people avoid driving at night. Suggest: John suggested going to the hotel for a fancy dinner. If you use to eat or to go after these verbs, the sentence will be wrong.
On the other hand, some verbs are followed by infinitives. Want: I want to study French next semester. Would like: I would like to try the new bag later. Learn: she learned to swim last week. Need: the students need to leave the class early. Decide: my family decided to move to England next year. Pretend: Lisa pretended to be sick so she could skip class. Gerunds can also be used as the subject of a sentence. Examples: studying English is fun. Exercising is important to stay healthy. Waiting for a bus during hot weather is very uncomfortable. Notice how the ing verb is the main focus of the sentence. Infinitives can also be used as the subject, especially in formal or thoughtful sentences. Examples: to spend time with your family is one of the best things in life. To love someone, you need to love yourself first. These sentences sound more formal and are often used in writing or speeches. That's it for today. If this video helped you understand gerunds and infinitives better, give it a like and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.